guys, my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning friend, welcome back. I'm so excited to have every single one of you here today. Today I am here to share a rather large Costco and Sam's Club haul with you. All points are calculated on blue. For those of you who are new here, hi, my name is Jen. I currently follow the WW Blue plan. I get 31 points per day and 42 points for my weeklies. Real quick before I get started on showing y'all the goods, if you wouldn't mind really quick giving me a thumbs up, I would greatly appreciate it. It really helps to let YouTube know that you guys are enjoying my content and helps to encourage them to promote our videos just a little bit more so we can continue to grow our YouTube family and keep working towards that 800 subscriber giveaway I've been promising you guys. As always, if you have any questions or comments or you want to know point values or calories for any of these, please just let me know down below in the comments and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Alright guys, grab a cup of coffee or water or whatever you feel like drinking and let's get started on this haul. We're going to go ahead and start with the meat first. We've got some Jones Canadian bacon. This is 3 slices for 1 point. This is great to add to any breakfast dish, but I especially love it on egg sandwiches. Very yummy. Next, we've got some center cut pork chops. We have some hickory smoked turkey breast. This is 3 ounces for 1 point. This is the Members Mark. Like I always say, guys, this is my all-time favorite lunch meat brand because it is really good. It is great point values and the containers are perfect for my family. It's double protection because not only do you have this lid, but it also seals really well so Jen can't get into it. 20 miles, yes. All right. It also seals here. So if the kids don't do one, the other one will take care of it. Next, we have hard salami. I am not planning on eating this, but if you're interested, it is 6 points for 5 slices. We've got some uncured Black Forest turkey ham. This is 2 ounces for 1 point, or you can do 3 ounces for 2 points. Hopefully that's not too much of a glare, guys. Sorry. And then we've got some buffalo style chicken breast. This is 3 ounces for 1 point or 5 ounces for 2 points. This has a very, very, very mild buffalo chicken flavor. It's really good. I love putting it on a tortilla with a little bit of mayonnaise and some dill pickles. Yummy stuff. One of my favorite go-tos for lunch. I've got some more of my chicken, guys. I love these. Hopefully you can see them with that glare. My goodness. But they're just little packages and they're fantastic because you can freeze them or you can separate them and they fit into your meat or cheese drawer really well, so you can just grab one, stick it in your lunchbox, and you've got chicken for whatever. I mean, if you want to throw it on top of a salad, great. If you want to add it to some kind of pasta dish, it's right there. Very convenient for lunches. And honestly, guys, my kids love them too. I find that I'm often fighting my kids to get some of these. Usually they have them polished off before I can get more than one package. Chaos Jen's got it bad. Okay, then I've got 10 packs of this chunk light tuna in water. This is 0 points for 1 pack. And I've got my infamous turkey sticks. These are the old Wisconsin turkey sticks. They're decent size. I mean, if you look at them compared to my hand, they're about the same size. And it's 2 points for 1 stick. And last for the meat, Steve and the kids got their Hebrew National hot dogs. And these are 5 points for 1 hot dog. I don't eat those. I eat another kind of hot dogs, which I'm sure if you guys have watched any of my other grocery hauls, you've seen those. But yeah, those are for Steve and the kids. Also for Steve and the kids, let me get this out of the way. Guys, Marie Callender chicken pot pie. 610 calories. Can you guess how many points for one of these bad boys? 21 points. 21 points for these. So yeah, Chaos Jen won't be eating those, but I know there's tons of WW friendly chicken pot pie recipes I can have, so I guess I'll make my own. And then the kids wanted these Tostino's pizza rolls. These are, I wrote it on top, 7 of them for 6 points. Now here's one that I can eat. This is a cauliflower macaroni and cheese. I have never had this before, but I am highly intrigued. It's 140 calories for a 1 cup serving. and 1 cup is also 5 smart points. I'm gonna try this on its own as a side dish, but I was also thinking, guys, what if we baked this up, added some tuna to it and some peas, or even some chicken and some peas, and that sounds so yummy to me. Chicken and peas are both at 0 points, so that's a 5-point little side dish, or I mean, if you bulk it up enough, it's a meal. Sounds super good to me. Then we had to pick up a can of, well, a box of cans of black beans. I add this to all kinds of stuff, spaghetti sauce, tacos, believe it or not, chili. We love black beans in this house, which is why I'm constantly buying the big cases. And then we needed some more diced potatoes. Seriously, guys? Tomatoes, diced tomatoes. I'm sorry, I couldn't help it. In case you didn't understand me, we got a case of diced tomatoes. Then we found this new seasoning. It's either Kinder's or Kinder's, but it's Butcher's All-Purpose Seasoning. Award-winning flavor for over 70 years. And I can't, let me put on my glasses and see if I can find the ingredients on here. It says it's got salt, dehydrated garlic, sea salt, spices, cane sugar, chili pepper, paprika, citric acid, rice concentrate, and sunflower oil. But anyways, that is what that looks like. We have not had this brand before, but Steve wanted to give it a try. And goodness knows, we have enough meat to try it on, so. All right, where do I want to go next? Let's do some veggies. We've got some avocado mash. These are 3 points on blue for 1 cup. I really like to use these for my avocado toast. And then lately, my 15-year-old has been putting them on his egg sandwiches, and they're a big hit in our house. So that's the reason we buy bulk. Honestly, guys, I've got, 2 adult children and 2 teenagers in my house. That's the reason we buy everything in bulk. Then I got some new grapes. These are from Candy Shop. It says Candy Heart Grapes. And they're seedless. I'm gonna try one. Can you see the label? There you go. There's the label. I'm wondering, they have cotton candy flavored grapes. And I'm wondering if these are by the same company and if they taste like candy hearts. Maybe Chaos Jenn's just being a dingbat here, but don't tell anybody. You guys. They taste like candy hearts. Wow. So, 3 pounds, and it was less than $7 for these. I'm hiding those from the kids. They can have the Walmart grapes. It's okay. They're still good. Then we've got some more potatoes from the Little Potato Company. If I haven't told you a million gazillion times, these are fantastic. They're perfect for baking. They're perfect for grilling, for potato salads. Oh, they are so good, so creamy and soft, and they are yummy. Love these. So we buy them in bulk. I've got some exploding asparagus. As you can see, the bag came open. Big fans of asparagus in this house. Also, big fans of Brussels sprouts. The kids are going to be so excited when they get home from their vacation and see that, guys. It's crazy. I am so blessed to have 4 children who love vegetables, and asparagus and Brussels sprouts in my house are an all-time favorite. No joke. I've got 2 packages of bananas. Big 5-pound bag of clementines. But guys, these are big oranges. I don't know how to tell you what size they are, but they're definitely bigger than the normal clementine. Then I've got some snacking cucumbers. These are the perfect size just to throw in a lunchbox. Take some light yum yum sauce or some ranch, and you are set for a vegetable snack. Then one of our staples, we've got a big bag of pears. And then we've got a big bag of apples. Clearly, my family eats a lot of fruit. Let me see what else I have. Oh, I've got my non-bites. These are 4 for 4 points. I love these. My favorite thing to do with them is to spread some Laughing Cow cheese on them and then put maybe like a slice of turkey or a pickle, and then some of my 21 seasoning salute from Trader Joe's. I love these, and they're great for a snack. Sometimes I'll use them in replacement of a sandwich for lunch. They're just very versatile and very yummy. I hope versatile is the right word to use for those. You can add a lot of stuff to them and they're really yummy. That's what I'm trying to say. Then I've stocked up on my Clio bars. These are the bigger ones, so they are 6 points for one bar. I've got strawberry and vanilla. Just a nice frozen treat when you don't have time or points to go out for ice cream. Then another family favorite, we've got these mini tacos. They are 4 for 5 points or 5 for 6 points. That's about the size of them, if you can see that there. It's a good alternative for taco night. Really yummy. How many times in this video have I said yummy? I need to come up with some new words. Guys, that's what y'all can help me out with in this video. Down in the comments, leave me some alternative words for super yummy, because surely there has to be better stuff out there than super yummy. Delicioso, fabuloso, magnifique. Sorry guys, I'm tired. And this is the chaos. This is why you guys come here, right? That's what I thought. Okay, let me move some of this stuff, and then I want to show you some of the bigger boxes, and then we will be done with this big old grocery haul, and I'm gonna have to start getting stuff put away. This is a new drink that I found. This is kombucha. It's got 3 different flavors in it. It's got Clear Mind, which is bright and invigorating, Island Mango, it says it's a sip of sunshine, and then 2 Super Berry, which is a 6-berry mix. These are 4 points for one bottle. Guys, I haven't drank this for a long time, but I do really enjoy it, and I just find that I have more energy. My stomach doesn't get upset as frequently when I drink these, and they've got a lot of health benefits. A lot of health benefits for kombucha. Finally picked up another case of my pop chips. I've got sour cream and onion, sea salt and barbecue, which is what I really wanted, and these are 4 points for one bag. Picked up a case of LaCroix. Hopefully you can see those. Again, these are the summer flavors, which I'm just not tired of, and I'm sad to see them go here shortly, but they'll have new flavors out that are just as good as these, so I'm just gonna have to deal with it. We've got guava in here, beach plum, and black raspberry. And then last, here I've got my infamous Spindrift. Guys, this is my all-time favorite drink. It is kind of pricey. This was $14.99 for 24 cans. I believe it's normally $18.99 though. We've got grapefruit, we've got raspberry, lime, and lemon. What this is, guys, is sparkling water flavored with natural fruit. And it's a lot different than the LaCroix or the bubbly or anything like that, but it is very good, very good. Okay guys, that is my haul. Like I said before, if you want to know point values or calories or any other nutritional information for any of these things, please just leave me a question down in the comments. And don't forget also to leave me comments down below for good alternative words to replace super yummy, which seems to be my all-time favorite description for these foods. Can you tell I'm excited to restock on all of my WW favorites? Whew. Anyways, I'm tired, I am out of breath, so I need to get this stuff put away, and then I need to jump in the tub and relax. So, real quick, before we leave, please guys, do all the things. Thumbs up, leave me a comment, I'll get back with you. Please consider hitting that subscribe button. I'd love the opportunity to get to know you better. And until next time, guys, keep smiling. Bye.